This is the Grasshopper. It's called that, we believe, because of its green color. So here it's not as green as normally because we used just a regular brown creme de cacao. Typically you use a white creme de cacao, which will give it a much more vibrant green color. But it is already quite green. We'll check the white balance of the camera, but it is green in person. Again, this is another drink that supposedly comes to us from New Orleans, near as we can tell. I'm getting kind of tired of saying this, but as with most of these cocktails we've been talking about, lots of legends and lore about the creation, but probably from New Orleans in the early 1900s. Became popularized though over like the 50s and 60s in the American South. There's some different versions of it. I think in the Northwest they make it with like ice cream instead of heavy cream like we made here. And you can do all sorts of things. It's got a nice minty chocolate flavor though, so it's made with creme de menthe, which is the green mint flavor, which makes green because it's the grasshopper name. Creme de cacao, which is a chocolate flavor, and then the heavy cream just kind of smooths it all out. So it's very simple to make because it's just the 3 ingredients, and here I'll show you. The mixing of the Grasshopper is pretty simple. It's 3 ingredients, all 1, 1, and 1, so we're going to use 1 ounce of each. So we'll start with the creme de cacao. So we're using just regular brown creme de cacao here, not white creme de cacao like you should use to get that good green color. I'll talk about that at the start. And 1 ounce heavy cream. And here you go, the 1 ounce of creme de menthe, that nice vibrant green color from which the drink gets its name. All in a shaker with ice. And shake. And that is your Grasshopper. Cheers.